Manila Mayor Isko Moreno calls it Corona Edition Pedicab. The city government of Manila plans to release 2,000 units to be used under the new normal.
Ito pang coronavirus. Kaya kawawa kasi yung mga pedicab, isa lang ang pasahero, di ba? Pero ito hindi na. Plastic. Plastic. Bakal.
Moreno explains acquiring these new pedicabs will almost be free for sidecar boys. Pedicab drivers will only need to give 1 peso as down payment. Daily payment will be 188 pesos for 3 to 5 years.
Para tumasaman yung antas ng pagmamaneho sa sidecar. Oo.
Hindi na puro.
Bigyan ko sila ng prangkisa.
The pedicab will come with a cellphone unit because the city is studying to adopt a cashless mode of payment.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.